Your incoming calls work perfectly, but outgoing calls just won't connect. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, this is a common problem with several easy fixes. Let me walk you through each one.
There are 5 main reasons why outgoing calls fail while incoming calls still work. The most common is call barring, a setting that blocks outgoing calls specifically. Fixed dialing numbers can also restrict who you can call. VLD not being enabled is a growing issue since carriers shut down 3G networks. Call forwarding can redirect calls before they connect properly. And sometimes there is simply an issue with your carrier account.
The first and easiest fix is toggling airplane mode. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open Quick Settings. Tap the airplane icon to turn it on, then wait 15 seconds. Tap it again to turn it off. This forces your phone to re-register with the cellular network. Now try making a call to see if it works.
If airplane mode didn't help, the next step is checking call barring. This is the #1 reason outgoing calls fail. On Samsung, open the Phone app, tap the 3 dots menu, then go to Settings. Select Supplementary Services, then Call Barring, then Voice Calls. Make sure all outgoing calls is toggled off. If it asks for a PIN, the default is usually 0000. iPhone users can dial *33# to check the barring status quickly.
The third fix is enabling VoLTE. Since carriers worldwide shut down 3G networks, VoLTE is now required for voice calls over 4G and 5G. On Samsung, go to Settings, then Connections, then Mobile Networks, and turn on VoLTE calls. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Cellular, then Voice and Data, and enable VoLTE. To verify it is working, check your status bar during a call. If you see 4G or 5G, VoLTE is on. If it drops to H+ or 3G, VoLTE is off.
The fourth fix is checking call forwarding. Dial *21# on any phone to check if calls are gravity being forwarded. If forwarding is active and causing the issue, dial #21# to cancel it. You can also go through Settings, Supplementary Services, Call Forwarding, Voice Calls, and turn off the Always Forward option.
If none of the previous fixes worked, try resetting your network settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. On Samsung, go to Settings, then General Management, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This clears all corrupted network configurations. Your photos, contacts, and messages are completely safe. You will only need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords.
Here is the quick decision guide. Try these fixes in order and stop when one works. First, toggle airplane mode. Second, check call barring. Third, enable VoLTE. Fourth, check call forwarding. Fifth, reset network settings. Sixth, update your software. Seventh, contact your carrier. And as a last resort, consider a factory reset after backing up your data. In most cases, the first 4 fixes will solve your problem.
And that's it. Your outgoing calls should be working now. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.